Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some fridge magnets using these puffy heart molds, and I've got some flowers that I've dried from a bouquet. They're little daisy style flowers, they're very cute. And you can see that, aren't they cute? And also some pansies. I dried these from my own garden, these pansies. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them into some clear resin to start with, and we're going to leave a little bit of space at the top just so that we can add a colour behind them. So I think the colour I'm going to add behind them will be black so that they pop. I want them to really stand out, and then we'll put magnets on the back to make them fridge magnets. So let's get started. my flower magnets. I hope you liked the video. I'll put a picture of them all finished up at the end of the video. These ones are actually heading to Aircrafts, which is a shop in Ayr in Scotland, where I have a shelf for some of my finished goods to be sold, and there's lots of other lovely items from crafters all around Scotland. So if you're ever in Ayr, be sure to pay them a visit. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. And I'm going to go and put these on my fridge for a wee while just to take some photographs before they head off to the shop. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and also share if you like to share this sort of thing with your other crafter friends. So I'll go now and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.